I met a lot of nice people at the Woodworking Show in Atlanta. I went to the Woodworkers video booth and met a lot of the woodworking video content makers there. Had a great time. Everybody was really nice, down to earth people. It was just a great experience. Also got to look around at some of the new equipment that they're offering, and even learned a few little tips here and there from some of the workshops that they had. I highly recommend anyone that hasn't been to one to give it a try. I think you'll enjoy it. Anyway, let me show you a few of the stickers that I picked up while I was there. I really had wished I had taken a lot more pictures and a lot more video while I was there, but I didn't do so. I guess I was kind of caught up in the moment of meeting everybody. But what little I have, I'll share it with you now. Well, that takes care of my experience at the Woodworking Show in Atlanta. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll stay tuned for more videos in the future. If you like this one, please give me a thumbs up. Maybe share it if you don't mind, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. We'll talk to you in the next video. Bye now.